soldering. So, for today's video, ay ipapakita namin sa inyo ay heating element. So, guys, ang first nating ipapakita ay 205H SN. High Frequency Heater, Japan. 205H heater, silver wire for HS 150 watts LED. So guys, yan ang ating 205H SN LED. Itong ating heating element ay para sa Hanstar 150 watts LED na soldering station. Yan siya guys. Focus na lang. Nakita mo siya. Teka lang. Yan guys, yan ang ating 205H SN LED. So, ang next naman natin ay 205H LCD. High Frequency Heater, Japan. 205 heater, silver wire for HS 150 watts LCD. Itong heating element natin guys ay para sa Hanstar 150 watts LCD. Pwede din siya sa Quick 205. Yan siya guys. Hanap naman natin. Okay, focus na lang. Yan guys yung kanyang harap. Kasi ito yung midot niya guys. So guys, yan ang ating 205H LCD. So guys, ito ang ating 205H-S-LCD. So guys, dito naman tayo sa heater for Hanstar 936 AC. Itong heating element natin na to ay para sa 936 AC na 30 watts. I-focus na lang. So guys, yan ang ating heater for Hanstar 936 AC. So guys, dito naman tayo sa heating element na A1321. Heating element Japan Hako A1321. Itong heating element na to ay para sa soldering 8801 Quick Hako P18. And para din siya sa 907, 908. Ito ang ating Hako A1321. So guys, ang next naman natin ay high frequency heater. Japan 203 heater, silver wire. So guys, itong heating element natin na to ay para sa Hanstar 90 watts, Quick 203 and Hunter 203. Yan guys. Ayan guys, yan ang ating 203 heater solder wire. Guys, ito yung back niya. Okay, focus na lang. So guys, ito ang ating 203 heater silver wire. So ang next naman natin ay heater for Hanstar PX968 P1324. Guys, tataas natin. Guys, ito ang ating P1324 heater for Hanstar PX968. So guys, itong ating heating element na to ay para sa Hanstar PX968 na direct plug. Soldering iron. Baba natin para makita nyo siya ng buo. So guys, ang next naman natin ay heater for Hanstar 905F. Heater 905F. Guys, itong heating element natin na to ay para sa Hanstar 905F direct plug. Soldering iron. So guys, ito ang ating heater 905F. So guys, ang next naman natin ay heater for Hanstar 978 PX988. Ito guys ay para sa direct plug soldering iron. Pwede siya sa PX978, 988. Baba natin. So guys, yan ang ating heater for Hanstar PX978 and 988. Heating element. heating element is the core component inside a soldering iron handle. Its primary function is to generate and transfer controlled heat to the soldering tip, which melts the solder to joint electronic components together. Number 1, heat generation. When you turn on the soldering station, electricity flows into the heating element. Due to its internal electrical resistance, it converts this electricity into intense heat, which is then conducted directly to the metal soldering tip. Number 2, thermal recovery, maintaining heat. When the hot soldering tip touches a cold circuit board or thick wire, the board rapidly absorbs the heat, causing the tip's temperature to drop. The heating element in a station quickly detects this drop and pumps in more heat within seconds to prevent the joint from freezing or becoming a cold solder. Number 3, precise temperature regulation. Hi mga kasoldering! So for today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay mga heating